Good morning, boys and girls. Let's start with our good mornings like we do every morning. Good morning, Shazane. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Sophia. Good morning, Luke. Good morning, Alma. Good morning, Ava. Good morning, Ayanch. Good morning, Mia. Good morning, Needy. Good morning, Jonas. Good morning, Jedediah. Good morning, Beckett. Good morning, Dominica. Good morning, Danielle. Good morning, Juliet. Good morning, Adadev. Good morning, Hashim. Good morning, Sanjana. And good morning, Saina. All right, we're going to skip right to our calendar where I noticed something really special today. On our calendar, today is the last day of April. Did you know that? That today is the last day that will be on our April calendar. That's a whole month done after today. And do you know what month we're going to go into next? If it's April, what comes after April? Let's go through our months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months. And what month is it that comes after April? January, February, March, April, May. May is going to be our new month that will be in tomorrow when we do our calendar. But our last day of April needs to go up there. And yesterday was the 29th of April. What would today be? What comes after 29? 28, 29. If you said 30, you are correct. And it is the number 30, but we say April 30th. Okay? So when we do our whole date, we say today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. So it's the 30th day of April, which is the very last day in April. So tomorrow we'll have a brand new calendar and we'll start all over with the number 1. Pretty cool. All right, let's add one more day of learning to our 10 frame. Oh my goodness. We are getting so close to filling up that 10 frame. Do you see how many days are left before we fill that 10 frame? I see only one empty space. So not only is tomorrow going to be a new month, but tomorrow we're going to fill our last 10 frame. And then we'll have to add another one and start again there. All right, let's do our counting by tens. And then when we get to that last one, we'll go by ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Ooh, let's see if I can figure this out in a different way. Rather than counting each of those, I know a full 10 frame is 10. What's one less than 10? If I have 10 and I take just one away, if you can't figure it out in your head, put up your hands. And here's 10. And if we have one space missing, that means take one away. And how many do we have left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, so I know now that there's 9 in there. I don't have to count every single one. So when we get to that last one, I'm going to add 9 on. Let's see if we can do it that way. It's a little trickier that way, but let's see. I bet you could do it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, plus 9 more is 159. Now, yesterday, we put on our board 158. Remember, we changed that ones place, that last 10 frame with our extra ones. So we need to take that 8 away. And there's not 8 in there anymore. There are 9 in there. So now 159 would look like this. One group of 100, 5 full 10 frames, and 9 extra ones. Very cool. 159. Okay. Let's skip over to our morning message and see what we're going to be doing today. Okay, our date is 4/30/2020. We're in the 4th month. The number that we put on our calendar was 30, and our year is 2020. Dear class, in reading, you will hear a familiar story from our mystery reader. Remember, familiar means one that we've heard before. So it's going to be a familiar story, but it's a really good one. So our mystery reader is going to read a familiar story. In science, you will learn about birds. You will also see something Zoe found in our backyard. Ooh, I wonder what it could be. Be sure to check out social studies. And I just put SS, that's short for social studies. I was running out of room. So be sure to check out social studies for a challenge. Love, Ms. Backstrom. Okay, so a lot of really fun things to do, and make sure that you see social studies because I'm going to challenge you to do something at home over the next couple weeks. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.